Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change your IP address on Windows, step by step. First, go to Start and type Control Panel, then open it. Next, select Network and Internet and click on Network and Sharing Center. From here, click Change Adapter Settings on the left-hand side. Now, right-click on your active connection and select Properties. Open the IPv4 properties. At the same time, go to Start, type CMD, and open the command prompt. Type ipconfig and hit Enter to see your current IP configuration. Back in the IPv4 properties, switch to Use the following IP address. Enter your desired IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway according to your network setup. Go back to the command prompt and type ping 208.67.222.222 to check if the connection is working. If it doesn't respond, adjust your values and try again. Once it works, type exit and hit enter to close the command prompt. And that's it. Your Windows IP address has been successfully changed. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.